Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm really excited to say that I have joined Touchstone Crystal by Swarovski. So I just got my starter kit in today, so I was going to do an unboxing so that way you could see all of the amazing jewelry and I can tell you a little bit about why I joined Touchstone Crystal. So while I kind of get things out of the bag here, I'll explain kind of what kind of drew me to Touchstone. So I went to a party a few months ago and it was for Touchstone. I knew there was going to be wine and there was going to be jewelry, and if you know me at all, I love sparkles. I love everything that's glittery and sparkly. So I was really excited about seeing all the jewelry in person. And I went, and of course I fell in love with everything. I was like, no, like I'm just gonna get a ring. Well, that didn't happen. I got a lot more than a ring. And I actually ended up booking a party as well. So the first piece that I bought though was this twisted bracelet. It's rose gold. I absolutely am obsessed with it. It also has this technology in it that's snag free. So I don't know about you, but like I wear a lot of these like knit tops and I am constantly putting pullers in my tops because of my jewelry. But like this, I can rub this on here and it will not pull it. It won't catch it, nothing. So that's one of the really cool things that I liked about this in particular. But I love that it was by Swarovski because that company has been around for 125 years, so you know that it's good quality and people really like it. And actually mentioning the 125 years, so right now when I joined, my kit was only $125. So everything that you're gonna see, it only cost me $125. So if you at all are interested in learning more about this jewelry, maybe you want to get a kit too and you get all this stuff, it's crazy how much you get for that amount of money, then reach out to me and I can definitely hook you up and let you know how you can join. So all right, let's start opening up some stuff. So first I have the April birthstone bracelet. So this is a stretchy style bracelet that you just slip on. They come in all of the birthstone colors. So April is April diamond. I want to say April is the diamond one. So here we have the stretch bracelet. So it's really easy to just throw on, and obviously it's the same kind of design as this twisted one. So again, it's a snag free. So I'm just going to keep that on. Next up is the Millionaires Club earrings. I actually have these on in the golden, so I can show you the size of them in my ears too. But these are the regular ones. So those are the Millionaire Club earrings, and I have the Golden Millionaire Club earrings on. And then I have the, I believe this is the Golden Monte Carlo. These are the smaller ones. So you can see them on the ear. I love them. I think they're just like perfect for like every day. Okay, next up is the Bliss earrings. And this is also in the Crystal Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis stone, it has the colors of Northern Lights. So when you move it around, it kind of can take on any color that you see. So these are a lever back. And you can see how it picks up different colors as I'm moving it around. So that's that Aurora Borealis stone. It has all of the mermaid and unicorn vibes for sure. Okay, next up we have the Wrap Star bracelet, and this is also in the Crystal Aurora Borealis. So they're so easy to put on. That was one of the things that I really liked about it. So pretty. It has two snaps on it, so that way if you have a smaller wrist or a larger wrist, it will fit no matter what. So what I like to do to put them on is I take the one with the snap like bottom and I put that in my hand, and then I keep making sure that this is nice and flat so they don't get twisted, and I wrap it around my wrist. And then I always snap it on the biggest one because I like it to have a little bit more room on my wrist. And then there we are. So it's the look of multiple bracelets, but it's just one bracelet, which makes it so easy to put on. It's soft too, so it's not, if you work at a desk and you're typing a lot, it's not gonna like clink and clang because it's soft, so you don't have to worry about it jingling and jingling as you're typing, because I know that can get so obnoxious. Like I would usually take my bracelets off if I knew I was going to be typing a lot. Okay, the next up is the Crystal Aurora Boreal Glitz necklace. Wow! Look at that. So this again that amazing Aurora Borealis going on in this necklace. This is stunning. Okay, so I just put it on and I have a Chanel already on today, but I'm just gonna let this happen here. We're gonna have a whole bunch of jewels on by the end of the video. Okay, so next up is the Chanel necklace, also in the crystal Aurora Borealis one. So I have the rose gold one on. So this is going to be the same one. So this one is so beautiful. I love this one. I have this in the mini, like the mini, it has smaller stones, but it's extra long, and this layered with it is so pretty. My mom had it on the other day. I love it. My starter kit also came with this converter. What you can do with the converter is you can actually change the way that you wear this necklace. So normally, like, you just throw this on over top. So like how this one is, like how I have it hanging long. Well, with the converter, you're gonna open up the snap, and what you do is you hook it in, and then you can wear it smaller if you wanted. So if you wanted to wear this a little bit smaller, like closer to the neck, almost like a choker, you could. You can also twist them and kind of do different things with them if you wanted. All right, next up is the point of view necklace. Alright, so this is the point of view necklace. How pretty is that? And this actually slides. So if you wanted to make this a little tighter and closer to your neck, you can. You can just pull the bottom. So I just pulled the bottom, and then obviously that moved up. So this would dangle a little bit lower, and then that would be pulled up a little bit higher. Okay, I have now the crystal Aurora Boreal Pave Ball necklace. Oh, this is so cute. So for anyone who really likes daintier pieces and they don't like a bigger necklace, this style is definitely for you. It comes in the birthstone colors as well. So this one is, again, it's the crystal Aurora Boreal necklace. It's so dainty and cute. I have, the white ice bracelet. I am obsessed with the ice bracelets. I think they are absolutely stunning. Let's see it. Woo! Okay, so first I'll show you the box. So stinking pretty. Alright, we're going to get really crazy here with my arm party. This is probably, at first I thought the wrap stars were my favorite, and then I started getting these ice bracelets. They're so beautiful. So now I added the ice bracelet into my stack here. How stinking gorgeous is this? Now, if you have a larger wrist, they do make us an extender as well, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting. You can get an extender for it. So pretty. Okay, last one. Ooh, the pipette necklace. Oh, this is cute. Okay, another one for any dainty necklace lovers. Look at all those stones. So beautiful. Okay, so this is just like the cutest little dainty necklace, is it not? So stinking cute. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus the necklace converter. So 10 pieces of jewelry plus the necklace converter, and then I have a whole bunch of catalogs and everything that I would need to have my first party and kind of get ready. I mean, that's a lot of stuff for $125. How crazy is that? So if you at all are like, wow, I need this stuff, you're like, wow, I really love this stuff, I want to be a part of Touchstone Crystal by Swarovski, please reach out to me and I can definitely get you on our team. If you see this stuff and you're like, well, I don't know if I want to be a part of the team, but I definitely want to have a party so I can earn some of this stuff for free, I can do Facebook parties. Reach out to me and I can definitely set you up a Facebook party so that way you can get some of this amazing stuff for free or discounted. Let me know your thoughts below on what you think is your favorite piece that you've seen today. I look forward to doing more of these unboxings as I add to my collection. Alright, thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, bye guys.